Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be reviewing four synthetic wigs from Toyotress Hair. They were kind enough to send me over these 4 weeks review for you guys. And this is the cute packaging with my girl Mary Kay Bella on it. You know we're here for her. So in each wig box, you get a mesh wig cap, which is pretty good. The wigs come with 3 combs and adjustable straps, and it is breathable. Like, you don't have to worry about sweating profusely in these wigs because, as you can see, it's very breathable. So the wig themselves, the texture, they're not too synthetic, and they have a lot of shine to them, but nothing too crazy, you know. If you don't like it, you can always put some baby powder on it, but I didn't mind because I mean, I don't mind. And I think it's because of my lighting too, why it looks so shiny, because you know when you're making videos you have to use lighting, right? So it's because of the lighting why mine look a little bit shiny. I could have turned the light down a little, but I did not do that. But yeah. Also, this is the first wig. This is a 10-inch Bob wig, and it does come with the ends bumped a little. I think this wig, you know, when you just take it out of the package, remind me of the wigs that my grandma used to wear. You know, that your grandparents wear, your aunts. Yeah, but we're gonna turn it into something beautiful. Okay, so the good thing with these synthetic wigs is that they can take heat. They tolerate heat on low setting. So please don't put it on high setting. You might, you know, damage your hair or something. So as you guys can see, it is straightening pretty well. I don't like the bump in it, so I like my hair straight, especially bobs. It depends. Sometimes I do them curly, but I like a straight 10-inch bob, which is pretty good. And for the top, I'm just going in and just making sure that the top is flat. The bang itself came pretty good. The cut was nice. I didn't have to do anything to it. It was just straight out of package. All you have to do is just ensure that you run your flat iron through the ends if you don't like it like that. If you like it like that, then go ahead. But I didn't like it like that, so I ensure that I straighten it because that's how I like it. Guys, my daughter will be visiting this in this video a couple of times, but that's okay. You know, she's around and she likes to get my attention. So this is this one, the first one, which is the 10-inch bob, and this is in the color 1 or 1B. All the links to the wigs will be in the description box. So if I don't remember the colors or name of the wigs, they'll be in the description box. Okay, so this one is pretty nice. I like it, you know, easy. I think it suits me, you know. I don't know, I'm just getting back into bob wigs, so it's pretty nice, you know. It's a nice wig and they're very affordable. You don't have to break the bank for a cute little style that you can throw on and go, you know, if you're in a hurry. No rush. And Toyotress allows you to be beautiful, you know, to be you. Why not? So the second wig is this 10-inch bob wig again with a bang. So this one has some streak of blonde, right? So it's like that what do I call it? I don't remember the name, but it's that pretty blonde and black color. It's like a peekaboo kind of color, you know, that peekaboo style that they have, right? So where the lighter color peeks out underneath. So that's what this is. I was feeling this one just because of the color. It's the same texture as the first one, and this is the color 1B and blonde, I think. As I said, all the description will be, everything about the wigs will be in the description box. So if I don't remember the names, they'll be in the description box. Okay, so again, I go and straighten this one. This one did come with 3 combs as well and an adjustable strap, and it is also breathable. So all the wigs are like that. And the thing I love about these wigs is that they're easy to throw on. You don't have to do much. You don't have to worry about parting space. You don't have to worry about lace or anything like that. And they are perfect for the summer because they're not too long and you can switch up your style as often and you know you like. So these wigs, if you want to get something nice and easy but cute, then yeah, you need to get one of these. Look at that. Like, I like the peekaboo blonde color, you know. That one did a little something for me, you know. So yeah, guys, you know. And this one is a lace one. So this is a T-part lace wig. It did come with 3 combs as well and an adjustable strap, and it has lace from ear to ear and the T-part in the middle, and it did come with baby hair. The color of this one, I think it's a number 4 into a 27 or something like that. As I said, all the links or all the description will be description of the hair will be in the description box. Okay, so I'm going with my flat iron just to flatten the top of the wig because we don't want it to be bulky, you know, looking like, I mean, it's a wig, but it doesn't have to really look like a wig, you know. So again, I did use my flat iron and all these wigs because all of them can take heat on the low setting, so you don't have to worry about that part. And the thing that I love about this one, I think this is either 12 inches or 10. Yeah, I think it's 12 inches. I think when it's straightened it's like 12. So I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer just to make the part pop a little. You know how it goes with your wigs. And this is what this one is looking like. The thing that I love about the wigs with the lace from Toyotress is that the lace is very undetectable. Once you melt that baby down, and it can also be glueless depending on the size of your head. My head is kind of small, so I don't tend to get away with glueless wigs as often as I would like. And this is the last one. So this one was probably my favorite. I think this one was in 20 inches. And this one is another T-part wig. And I love this brown color. You know, it's just so nice. Look at it. It's like brown and blonde. It's a pretty color. It has 3 combs. It's breathable as well. And it's an adjustable strap. And it has a T-part. So this one was, I think, my favorite. I'm not sure if it's because of the length, because of the color, because of the cut. This one came with some layers, which I like. You see, it's already falling the way it's supposed to be falling, guys. It was giving what it was supposed to give, okay? I loved it. The color on me, gorgeous, like gorgeous. Again, I'm going to my flat iron and I'm just flattening the parts. And the thing that I love about these wigs is that they're just easy to install. You know, you don't have to do much. If you don't want to glue them down, you don't have to do that. You can make them glueless if you want. And the lace is very undetectable, which is pretty nice. You know, you put some foundation on it to match your complexion and you're good to go. This wig already came with lace, but I'm just going in for a little something extra because you guys know me. I'm a little extra. So I'm just making a little extra, and then, you know, it's a little extra. But I like the layers. That's what I love about the wig. I love a good layered wig. You know, and there goes baby girl. Oh, so sweet. I love a good layered wig, and I love this one. This one came with baby hair too, and the thing is, the baby hairs are soft. They're easy to lay down. I did use my spray to kind of bond this down a little, just so the lace can be melted. You know, you see what I'm saying? It's like undetectable, guys. It's so pretty. So, guys, that's it for these wigs. These are pretty nice, very affordable, easy to install. You can change your look up as much as you want. Look at the luster in this one. This one has like a yaki texture to it. So, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And all the links to the wigs will be in the description box. Go over and check out Toyotress if you want to affordable. Guys, see you guys in the next one. Bye.